Ayala Malls, Vertis North. That will be our coverage for today on my YouTube channel, Leon Swolders SL.
Oh, andito pa rin tayo sa Ayala Malls here at Vertis North. Wow, ang galing dito. Ayan, oh, look at that. Amazing. From here, kita pa natin yung mga high-rise building over there. May, I'm pretty sure dun sa rooftop na yun, meron silang swimming pool, garden. Wow. O, dito muna tayo sa mga stalls na to, bago tayo pumasok sa loob. I'm pretty sure mag-enjoy kayo sa mga makikita natin. Ito, mga they sell some bracelets. These are locally made. Ang galing, ang ganda.
These are souvenir shops, while on the right is a Catherine's Cafe. Yan. Kung gusto nyo mag-coffee, dyan muna kayo while looking for something interesting souvenirs to buy.
Wow. Dito tayo. So, after doon sa mga souvenir shops na pinuntahan natin, pasyalan natin dito. Wow, look at that. Mga greeneries. Ang galing ng concept dito. It's a mall, but when you go and get outside, it looks like you're in a forest because look at the greeneries. Wow, ang galing. Nakaka-relax. Kasi ba naman, yan. Para ka nasa probinsya pero talagang well-maintained at saka talagang fully manicured ang mga plants nila dito. So, the trees. Makita mo yung trees. So, from side to sides, may mga eateries, Coffee Bean, Mama Luz, Bien and De Luca. Wow. Today is Sunday, kaya hindi masyadong tao. Pero I'm pretty sure, mamayang hapon, maraming tao na dito. Wow! Actually ngayon, naghahanap-hanap na kami ng kakainan eh. Kaya, we're trying to look for a good place to eat. Actually, it's 1:01 na. Kaya, let's find out. There's another restaurant. Wow! It's a very grandeur. Sam's 2. Ang maganda dito, pero let's look for another restaurant. Ganda dyan. Ikot lang tayo sa mga restaurants dito. On my left, yan. Another restaurant. Wow. Galing. Galing talaga dito. There's another restaurant, single origin. Alam mo, cozy pero maganda. Ito mga jewelry stores na to. Yeah. Maisonette. Alright. Wow. Crocs. Kung mahilig kayo sa Crocs, this is the place. Okay na. Okay, so sa dinabi-nabi ng pinuntahan namin, sasarap actually, pero we decided mag-shakey's na lang tayo. Kasi it's been a while na I haven't eaten shakey's. Kaya masarap yan. Yan, saka affordable. So dito muna kami. And I'll show you around more of this Ayala Malls here in Vertis North. Okay.